friends, today we will learn shapes. The shape is called circle. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. This shape is called square. S-Q-A-R-E, square. This shape is called rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. This shape is called triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. This shape is called star. S-T-A-R, star. This shape is called heart. H-E-A-R-T, heart. This shape is called
rhombus.
Rhombus. R-H-O-M-B-U-S, rhombus. This shape is called oval. O-V-A-L, oval. This shape is called pentagon. P-E-N-T-A-G-O-N, pentagon. This shape is called
hexagon.
hexagon. H-E-X-A-G-O-N, hexagon.